Hi guys, it's Jamie at Iconic, and I'm going to show you how to quickly install our new GPS mount device, bracket, whatever you want to call it, for the Multistrada V4S. All you need to do is have some sort of Allen key wrench, 4mm, and a T20 Torx for the screen. You don't have to remove the screen, but it does make it easier, so certainly when you're routing cables and whatnot. The particular model that I am going to install today is the bracket that's designed for the quad lock system. So we have a plate on here which has got little serrations on, and this is designed to fit and secure the quad lock fast charger and also the anti-vibration mount. You could also discard that and just clamp one of the standard plastic quad lock bases to it. But that's what this is designed for. This is what I'm going to show you how to fit. So stand by and I'll get the process going. So the first thing we're going to do is take away the 4 screws in the screen, take the screen off. Now this bike is currently fitted with our prototype bracket, so I'll be removing that and fitting it with one of our production models, so it'll look a lot neater. The next job, if obviously you've not got a bracket fitted, lift the screen all the way up and you'll see 2 triangular brackets on the inside of the screen mechanism that we need to remove to gain access to the threaded inserts in the screen. We always advise when assembling our parts to use a small amount of thread lock or Loctite. Motorbikes are very vibey and are prone to having fasteners undo. So I'll just leave that there for the second. So that's the our prototype mount removed, or in your case, the small triangular plastic brackets. You'll have 4 shallow headed cap head screws there, which you need to reuse. With the bracket loosely assembled, so these parts can move, you'll then be able to feed this over the screen adjustment handle and put these plastic brackets where they need to go, and then you can secure them in place with the screws that you've saved from the OEM part. slowly do the screws up one by one, alternating between the 4 screws until everything is done up tight. That's in now, and as you can see, we've got a small amount of play to take up any inaccuracies in any of the mouldings. Then all we need is a 3mm Allen key or hex wrench, and we can go ahead and finish tightening up these 4 screws in the front. Again, alternating from side to side. And as you can see, this is really rigid, it's not going anywhere. The only thing that moves is the actual screen mechanism itself, which any mount that mounts off of this will move in the same way anyway. At this point you can just snug up the bolts in the side to get them roughly in the right position. And I'm just going to remove the quad lock base. And there we have it, it's all installed, rigid as you want. The quad lock mount fits really well. I tend to tuck the wire behind the screen and come out back at the bottom. That works for me. Yeah, so I hope you guys like the look of that. I will just give you a close-up. Let me just unscrew the bracket. So I hope you can see it's one of the most compact designs of bracket out on the market. It doesn't utilise these points on here, hiding, you know, the very expensive bike that you've paid a lot of money for. It fits in very neatly with the aesthetic of the screen mechanism. It's very simple to fit. Like I say, you could pre-tighten these and fit it without removing the screen, so there's even less work to do. All in all, we think it's a great product and we hope you enjoy using yours when you've purchased. Thank you.